Are you looking for a reliable solution to manage your construction waste? Look no further than Junk and Demolition Pros LLC. At Junk and Demolition Pros LLC, we specialize in providing top-quality dumpster rentals for all your waste management needs. With our premier 10-yard dumpster rental services, we provide the perfect solution for contractors and homeowners alike. Whether it's a residential, commercial, or industrial project, no job is too big or too small. With our assertive and efficient services, you can trust that your project will stay on track and your site will remain clean and organized. Don't let waste pile up on your job site. Get the job done efficiently with Junk and Demolition Pros LLC. Our commitment to excellence means you can trust us to deliver and pick up your dumpster on time. We empower you to take control of your surroundings. With our hassle-free rental process, say goodbye to chaos and hello to a clean, organized space. Don't let clutter weigh you down. Choose Junk and Demolition Pros LLC for your next project. Call us today at 425-217-5541 or visit our website at www.junkproswa.com. 10-yard dumpster to book your 10-yard dumpster rental with Junk and Demolition Pros LLC. Get rid of the clutter and make room for progress with Junk and Demolition Pros LLC.